I am here with a new iHood jacket, and I'm super excited to see what it's all like. So, pull it out of its box. It comes in this really nice carrying case. So here's the jacket. I can already tell that this alone is a warm jacket because it's got that nice heavy jacket feel. I like this. It has nice zippered pockets, tapered seams, so the seams are waterproof. This jacket is going to be waterproof. It has a nice soft lining in here. I really do like it. It even has, if I choose to want a little more coverage on my backside, I can unzip this, or if I would prefer not to, I can zip it back up. That's pretty cool. Alright, I got my battery pack. I've got the adapter. And I gotta say, this bag is getting even cooler, as then at the very bottom, I have a whole nother zippered pouch. Alright, so lots of storage options within this bag. Let's see how long this takes to charge up. But let's see what is inside these things first. So this is a lithium battery, nice lithium battery that comes with the jacket. You can buy extras if you wish. So it has a couple of ports here on this end, a power button, and then I have my adapter here. So you don't need to use their adapter, but it comes with one. It is like all the other plug-in adapters that I have in my household. It's nice that they send one just in case all of mine are being used. So I'm going to go and read the directions and charge this jacket up and see what we think. The battery pack came at about a 50% charge, so it is still charging up, but I wanted to talk about the things that are here. So, of course, it has the instruction manual and how to work everything, along with some frequently asked questions, some safety instructions, and chat support, and the return policy even, which, you know, having that all out there and just putting it out there is always just really helpful. Then their little thank you note has these stickers, and these are really important stickers. If you are an active person, you are out in the woods, and your down jacket or any of your jackets get caught on that branch and they rip, you know it's a headache. And they kindly sent us some fun shaped stickers to help patch up our jackets. They are patch stickers. I love that they thought of this because it happens all the time, and then you have to go find the patch, buy the patches, and it's nice that they provide them with you right off the bat. And like I said, they're being very transparent, and they want to hear if you're happy. They even want to hear if you're not so happy, and they have all of their information about chat support. And then this big booklet is a bunch of pictures of how people are wearing them, which, alright, showing off. But also it talks about some of the other products they have. They have the jacket, a vest, I saw some gloves in here. So just all the different things that you can add to your product if you enjoy the iHood jacket. And then what to do and what's coming in the future. Finally, the patch that they sent, which I already have the patch on my jacket, they also offer to customize any patches for you because they have a patch spot on your sleeve, which is really cool that they thought of this and thought to offer this. Now, alright, but that's all the paperwork, and if you're like me, life gets crazy and we lose the paperwork. They have it all on the bag here. They have on here, like I said, they're being transparent about this. They have contact us right here. Here's our information. Contact us. They have all of the information that I'm going to need about the temperature zones, the heating elements, where it is, and whether or not this is a waterproof jacket, and everything else that I'm going to need to know. And I really like that they are transparent about that, because that's always helpful, and really it tells me this company has nothing to hide. Their products have to be good then, right? So the iHood jacket, we're still waiting for that battery to charge up. It can take a little bit because it is a big battery, but I will come back to you. Outside, it is only about 30 degrees out right now, so we'll see what this jacket is like outside. So I'm outside, and it is about 30 degrees out right now. Despite the sunshine, it's not warmed up yet because we are coming into winter. So let's put this jacket on and see what we think. It is quite comfy. It does have 11 pockets on it. Here it is, zipped up. It does look really nice. It comes in 2 other colors, pink and purple. So you get to choose your colors. So it has 11 pockets here. That is a lot of pockets, even for me. But I have my 2 pockets right here. I got a pocket here. It goes in. Another one. I have 2 on my sleeve, another 2 on my sleeve, and then I have an inside pocket, another inside pocket, a pocket all the way down here, and then I have the important pocket, the one with the cord in it to plug myself in. So here is my battery case. That is the charging cord that I was using inside. I'm going to plug this thing in. Voila. And zip it up. So this is a very comfortable jacket. I can flip up the hood and zip myself completely in, and there we go. Now I am totally zipped in. It has elastic cords in all the good places to make sure that I can completely be secured within my jacket. Like I said, it has that removable back flap that I can unzip or zip up. It is currently zipped up, but I can unzip it just like that and have it hanging down. There it is, down. No, it is a very comfortable jacket. Here's my flag patch. And I really do like it. It's soft, it's comfortable, it's not super duper heavy. I was concerned about that with the battery pack, but it is movable. I could see going out for a hike in this and being just fine. All of the pockets have that taped seam, so nothing's going to get wet inside my pockets, which is really nice. And yeah, I think this might be my new jacket. I really do like this. I'm going to love this for waiting at the bus stop. I always get cold because it's fully shaded and it's cold outside. And this is going to be really nice at the bus stop, hiking, camping, or anything else that is outside. Soccer games, football games, hockey games, sitting in those cold ice rinks. You're going to love these. Alright, let's go back inside because I see that the dogs are getting cold. They don't have a nice heated jacket, but let's head in and see what else we can look at. So finally, this jacket is machine washable, but they do recommend that if you do wash it, please either hand wash and make sure you remove the battery before washing, or if you choose to throw it into the laundry bin, toss it into a laundry bag before washing it. Make sure that you've removed everything from your pockets and that all of your pockets are zipped up, and you will be all set for throwing this into the laundry. Alright, I am back inside to show off this jacket a little bit more. Now, it has 3 heating elements. It has the front chest, the back side, and the neck. And they are all controlled by this button here. I can press for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Red is the warmest. I can press that, and this is warming up my neck. I can press it again to go to white, a middle heating zone. And once more to blue. I can turn on my chest and have that heated in set differently. And I can turn on my back and I can feel it's getting quite warm in here. So one last thing to show you is if I don't want this to be lit up for any reason, I can turn off the lights. Now just remember that if you go ahead inside, that it is still on. So I can turn it back on, hold for 3 seconds. Now my neck is off. My chest is off. And my backside is off too.